Hey guys, what is up? It is Brickmaster23 here, today with another video, and today I have a BRICKLINK unboxing. So let's just open it up. I think this is for my Lego commission that I got. We'll try and open this without tearing anything apart. Yeah, so let's take a look what's inside. I may fold back up my knife so I didn't cut myself, but then watch it. We have a bunch of these clear 1x4s. I think I ordered, I don't know how many of those are, to be specific actually. I have a bunch of these tiles, some 1x2 tan tiles, and I have, let me, if I can find one, I have a 2x3 tile and another 2x3 tile. And I have actually one more of these clear pieces with some 1x1 tan tiles. So this is it for the mock, or for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Hopefully you stay tuned to see what the mock actually turns out like. I have been taking a picture every day, so you'll see the beginning to the end. I hope you enjoy. I got a new tripod. I hope you like it. It is a Paddock Fly. It was the best one on Amazon, and it's flexible. I will be getting a Rode microphone too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. This is Brickmaster23, signing off.